In this video, we can focus on how to set up salary and leave heads. In this, we are showing how to create salary components or salary heads and leave types of your employee like basic, dearness allowance, house rent allowance, casual leave, privilege leave, etc. To set up salary and leave heads for your company, go to Company Setup, click on Salary and Leave Heads. To create salary heads, go to Salary Heads New button. Give salary head name. Give whether the salary head name is addition or deduction. Select any of the head type needed. Click Save button. Then select the salary head. Next, we are going to create head items. For this, click the New button. The item we are giving will be addition to the salary because we selected the operator as addition when we were creating salary heads. Next, give item name. Select the item type, either limit, fixed manually or formula. If you are selecting limit, give limit value. If you are selected fixed, enter fixed value here. If you are selecting manually, enter value as 0 because we are entering variable according to employee salary. If you are selecting formula, enter value as 0. When you are creating salary structure, give formula there. Next is give comment. Next is in salary slip. If you are giving yes, it will show in salary details visible to the employees. Next is item part, either direct or indirect. If you are selecting direct, it means the monetary compensation that employer paid to their workers. Indirect means the non-monetary compensation from an employer to the employee. For example, health insurance, retirement compensation, etc. Click Save button. When you put a tick only, it will become active. Like this, you can create different salary heads and also create different head items. Next is we can create leave items. In this, you must give operator as deduction because leave will be deducted from your leave balance. Give item name. Next, item type. Short name. Comment. Item part, either direct or indirect. If you are choosing direct, we can set yearly balance or monthly balance as you wish. If you are giving indirect, no restriction for leave count. Here it is not working according to leave balance. When you put a tick only, it will become active. In heads for benefits, we can create benefits given to the employees like ESI, PF, etc. In heads for deduction, we can create the items deducted from the employee like PF, ESI, etc. In heads for annual earnings, we can create the components coming annually like bonus, performance incentive, etc. The heads creating here will display in the salary structure and leave policy. Thank you.